Walaikum.
Who is our creator?
Allah.
Who is our prophet? Who is our prophet?
Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Who is first prophet?
Adam Nabi.
Who is last prophet?
Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Who is the father of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Abdullah.
Who is the mother of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Aminah baby.
What day Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are born? Who is the best friend of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Abu Bakr Siddiq.
Who is the grandfather of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Abdul Muttalib.
Who is the first wife of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Khadija baby.
How many kids do Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam have?
7.
Where did Quran revealed? How many surah are there in Quran?
114.
What is the name of our country?
India.
Who is the father of our nation?
Gandhiji.
What is our national animal?
Tiger.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
What is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our district?
Kozhikode.
Which is our state?
Kerala.
Masha Allah, Barakallah.